How to turn on notifications phone led on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on notifications phone led on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and you just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and go down until you find push, and here click phone led, and here you will find the phone led settings. If you want to turn it on, just click on it one click and go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.